Hello, my name is Madina. I live in Feltham from 2004 and I'm mother of 4 children. I work in Spring West Academy. I'm part-time at work and the rest of the time mom. So we moved to Feltham in 2004. We moved here when my children was quite young. And the first memory of Feltham, I would say about my house. And I still have that memory when I was in the kitchen and I put flowers on the window and I look outside and thinking, oh my God, finally I have my kids next to me. We have this house and it's so nice to see all area from the window. When my husband come from work, I just look outside the window and I think just personally for me, that was my best memory, I think. When we just moved in, I have quite difficult time. I will be honest with the neighborhood. People need to see us, to accept us how we are, where we're from, because I'm from Russia. My husband is from Afghanistan, and I think for the neighbors was a little bit difficult because they didn't know us, and they gave us quite hard time. I have to be honest, but it's all in the past. And everyone is really lovely. Everyone is very good with me. We have very good relationship with the neighbors. We have a multiplication of religions and cultures in here, which makes this community very colorful and very nice. Yeah, it's changed a lot. It changed a lot since 2004. It changed a lot. There is so many things that just like front of my eyes, like keep changing and changing. So it's positive thing. Yeah.